How you doing, guys? It is May 9th, 2020. Just going to do a little video on... I got the play button in here. 100,000 subscribers. Now, the little backstory on this is I had to call and tell them that I never received the silver play button. So like at 119,000 subscribers, I'm saying to myself, what's going on here? All these other guys that, just went over the 100,000 mark, they all get their play button like right away. And here I am, 119, and I'm still waiting. So I reached out to YouTube, to the partnership program, and I sent them a message and, just to ask them what was going on with it. And they said they were going to look into it and get back to me, and they had to do a manual review on my channel, and then they sent me an email saying that it's on its way and whatnot. So somehow I got missed. But there it is. I put it right in there, so if I do any vlogs, you guys can see it. I do want to say thank you for all the subscribers, everybody that subscribed to the channel, and the guys that watch my videos. I do appreciate it. I really wouldn't be doing it without the subscribers. A lot of my views come from non-subscribers, 3/4 of them. But I do post videos every day for the subscribers to keep guys updated on what I'm doing and whatnot. There's Miss Molly hanging out here with me, my little buddy. So I got that. A couple other things going on. Phone's starting to ring again. I am starting to get some calls coming in, and I'm kind of screening people, see if they're sick or they have been sick, and seeing if I'm going to go out and do work. And I do have some stuff coming in now, so it's starting to pick up. I'm hoping that... I'm not really sure what I think about this whole Corona thing that's been going on. I mean, I think it's overrated, overblown. I think that they're beefing up the numbers where, I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air about the whole thing on what's going on here with a lot of things. Hear a lot of stories coming from different doctors and stuff, and they're kind of like all hearing a lot of different things that got me kind of thinking is there might be something going on here that's not up to par. But I never get the flu shot. I never get the flu, and if they come up with some kind of some remedy for this bat flu, I ain't taking that shit either. I'll take my chances, and if I get it, I get it, and I'll deal with it. But I ain't getting no serum from any guy that thinks he's gonna give me some kind of vaccine or whatever it is. I don't know. Very leery about that. Bill Gates can shove that stuff right up his anal cavity, as far as I'm concerned, and I'm not taking it. That's just my opinion. I am wearing a mask when I go out and telling people stay away from me, and do a little. I've been calling. They call me on the phone. I do a little background check on them and ask them some questions and seeing if they're sick, and if not, I think about what the job is and whether I want to go in there. And if I do go in there, I tell them to stay away from me, and I put a mask on and keep, make sure to stay away, and I do my thing down in the basement or fix the heat or whatever I got to do. But I got one of them little temperature things. I might bring it and give me an old red dot right in the head, see if they got a temperature. But I don't think that matters either way. But what do you guys think about all this? You think it's overblown out of proportion, or I heard that they're giving $30,000 to the doctors in the hospital if they put down COVID-19. They go in there with a respiratory illness. All of a sudden, it's COVID-19. They're not even checking the people. I mean, it might be the flu. It might be a cold. It might be allergies. It could be anything, right? But I don't know. You tell me what you think about it. But anyway, this video is for the 100,000 subscriber mark. I appreciate it. There it is. The big plaque. My next one's 1 million. Should take me 50 years to get to 1 million. But anyway, just a quick little one. Thinking about maybe ramping up the live streams on a Sunday or something like that. I might start doing the live streams and maybe question and answers. As the questions come in, I'll answer them. And I'm doing a little crock pot cooking here today. I put a whole bunch of stuff in a crock pot and just letting it go. But my buddy, Miss Molly, she loves Daddy. All right, guys, just a quick one. Just a quick little thank you. And leave your comments down below what you think about the bat flu. The Corona Rona. Leave you alone. All right, have a good day.